Hello dear students, welcome in your English class. Today is our third class for the lesson the Emperor and the Nightingale. Okay, and before starting today's class, let me tell you first today's date. What is the date today? Today is 9th February. Okay, in our first two classes, what we have done the explanation of the chapter the Emperor and the Nightingale. Then in the second video we have done the book exercises of the same chapter. Now in this video we are going to do the question answer. Okay, everyone please take out your copy and be ready by giving the heading like this. I have given the Emperor and the Nightingale, and write down today's date, that is 9th February. And I hope you have already done the vocabulary in your copy. Okay, you have done. Now let's begin with the question answer. So I will copy the question also, so that you don't have to look to the book again and again. Question and answer. Now what is question number 1? Why did the travelers did the travelers come to see the Nightingale? Question mark. Why did the travelers come to see the Nightingale? So what is the answer? The travelers came to see the Nightingale because it sang wonderfully. It sang wonderfully. Okay. Now next question. I repeat this question and answer again. Why did the travelers come to see the Nightingale? The travelers came to see the Nightingale because it sang wonderfully. Okay. Now next question. Why was the emperor angry with the minister? Why was the emperor angry with the minister? Answer. The emperor was angry with the minister because he has not informed the king about the wonderful bird. Wonderful bird hyphen, you will give a hyphen and you will write Nightingale. I repeat, why was the emperor angry with the minister? The emperor was angry with the minister because he has not informed the king about the wonderful bird hyphen Nightingale. Okay. Now I will rub the board and I will copy question number 3. Question number 3. How did the emperor come to know about the Nightingale? How did the emperor come to know about the Nightingale? So your answer is the emperor came to know about the bird by reading the books about it. So I repeat, how did the emperor come to know about the Nightingale? The emperor came to know about the bird by reading the books about it. Okay. Now question number 4. What did the emperor ask the minister what did the emperor ask the minister to do? Question mark. And the second part is, did the minister obey his order? Obey his order? Question mark. Okay. Now answer 4. The emperor asked the minister to bring the bird immediately into the palace. Into the palace. Okay. Now its second part. Did the minister obey his order? I will rub the third answer and I will write here. You will start from here. Okay, you will start from here. Yes, comma, the minister obeyed the emperor's orders. Okay, I will read this answer for you. What did the emperor ask the minister to do? Did the minister obey his orders? The emperor asked the minister to bring the bird immediately into the palace, and then you will change the para and you will start writing from here. Yes, the minister obeyed the emperor's orders. Okay, now I will rub this answer number 4 and I will write question number 5 and its answer. Now question number 5. What did the emperor what did the emperor want the bird to do? Did the bird obey him? Now answer 5. What is answer 5? The emperor wanted the bird to stay forever in the palace. Full stop. Then you will change the para and you will write unhappily, comma, the bird obeyed the emperor but after some days comma, when it got the chance comma, it flew away and often came to the palace the emperor. Okay. So by this we have completed the answer. I will read it once again. What did the emperor want the bird to do? Did the bird obey him? The emperor wanted the bird to stay forever in the palace. Unhappily, the bird obeyed the emperor, but after some days, when it got the chance, it flew away and often came to the palace to sing for the emperor. By this, we have completed all the 5 question answer of the lesson, the emperor and the nightingale. I think you can see the board clearly, and still if you have any problem in understanding any answer, you can WhatsApp me at my number between 1 to 2 p.m. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you students and have a nice day. Keep learning. Bye-bye.